beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Baby Z again. So today video I'm back with another helpful video for you guys. If you are suffering from dark spots, this video is for you, sis. Try this soap, no jokes. So today video I have two products for you guys. If you are suffering from dark spots, this video is for you. So stay tuned. Let's the video begin. So the first soap I will be sharing with you guys is this Argan Oil Revlon. I've been using this soap for a while now, guys. This soap is a miracle, guys. No joke, this soap works wonders on my skin. This soap helped me because I was noticing some rashes on my back area here, small tiny rashes. This Revlon here, this soap helped me, guys. It's made with argan oil. This is shower gel. It's with argan oil, as you can see. It's Revlon natural honey, guys. This soap is a life-saving for me. I've been using it now for almost 2 weeks, but guys, this soap is really nice, no joke. So that's why I said, why should I keep this to myself? Let me come here to share with you guys. So you see my last video where I make my soap, you see I added this inside my soap because any product I notice that is working for my skin, if I'm making soap, or you can see I mix it inside my soap. So the last product where I mix my body wash soap, you can see I mix this argan oil soap inside. This soap here is very helpful to me. So that's why, since I get it from my drugstore, it's not that expensive. It's really affordable, and it really works wonders on my skin. Since I start using this, I notice my rashes, all my rashes are gone. I don't experience any rashes again on my back area here. So I recommended this soap for you guys, this body wash, this shower gel, 100%. I recommend it for you. If you are looking for a soap that can give you a smooth skin and that smooth shot, this soap can just smooth your skin, because that's what it did for me. Because I've been noticing my skin, it was having a little bit of rashes. So since when I started using this Revlon here, this soap here, it just smoothed out my skin and everything is gone. And I say, so why should I keep this to myself? Let me come here to share with you guys. So this is the first thing I want to share with you guys. This argan oil Revlon natural honey shower gel. So this is the first product I want to share. Second soap I want to share with you guys is this shea butter soap. This soap works miracle on my face, guys, because lately I was noticing my face was having a little bit of black spot. I don't know why. You know, my pimples lately, on my last video I tell you that I've been having some pimples. I don't know why. So when they go, they leave black dot on my face. So you know, I like to place my hand sometime on my face. So that is the cause of it. So when the pimples go, so they leave black dot on my face. So I tried this soap here. This is the shea butter soap, as you can see. This shea butter soap, this helped me to clear all these dark spots on my face. No jokes. It helped me. It's a very good soap. A friend of mine recommended it for me, and I try it, because I tell you guys, anything I'll bring here, I have to make sure that it works for me. I make sure I finish the old one completely. I finish it. So let me see how it's working, because I don't want to bring something here that is not working. So that's why I try it first on my skin. So when I try it, I really noticed great changes. It faded all my dark spots on my face. It faded it, guys. It faded it just like that. So that's why I say, oh well, this soap is really good. Let me just keep this to myself. Let me bring it here to you guys, so you guys too can if you're having dark spot problem, you can check it out. We all know, you know, shea butter is good for the skin, because even my last video, if you are suffering from dry skin, the video I mixed with my shea butter cream, you can check it out. If you never see it yet, if you never watch it yet, you can check it out. So I use also shea butter. Their shea butter is a really good product. So that's why any product they put shea butter inside, guys, just go ahead and try it. It's very good for the skin. Guys, this soap here, this soap work wonders on my face. It just clear all my dark spots. I still have some breakout, but I mean the dark spot, the one that I already healed. This soap here clear all the dark spots. This dark spot on my face because I was having dot. But since they introduced me to this soap, I try it till I finish the 1 bar. When I use it only on my face. Only on my face. Because what I did like this, when I finish scrubbing my face with the last item I introduced to you guys, I scrub my face with this scrub. So I go ahead with this. I just wash it with my face. I massage my face for like 2 to 3 seconds. I just massage it and I rinse my face. So that's how I use it every night. So when I finish, I just apply this my serum I showed you last time. I just apply it on my face and massage my face also, and I just leave my face to breathe. El-Curina, as you can see. So not every shea butter soap is from this company. As you can see, is new. You see, it's new. So this is new product. It's new product on the market. In the market, it's new product. So you can check it out, guys. This soap is really good. No joke. This soap work miracle on my face. Since I started using this soap just clear all my dark spots on my face, and I really appreciate that. And when you are using it, guys, don't just put it and wash it like this. No, you have to apply it. Make sure your face is wet. Your face is wet. You have to wet your face and apply it all over your face and massage. Use 2 to 3 seconds to massage your face. Just massage your face. After massage it, rinse it up and use your cream, your normal cream as usual. So that's what I used to do. I use it in the night and in the morning. When I wanted to go to bed, I use it. I apply my serum, and in the morning I use it. I apply this my face lotion I showed you the last time. I shared with you guys the last time. I don't use my lightening cream on my face, only on my body, because as I tell you guys, I was noticing some breakouts. I don't know why. I don't know, because of this peanut butter I ate, or this butter, you see. So that's why. So anytime I eat these things, so as I always tell you, so I experience a lot of breakouts. So that's why I decided to just take a break on my face with lightening cream. So I just take a break first. So I just use it on my body, my lightening cream, my face. I go ahead and use this toning lotion I showed you the last time. Yeah, my last video. So that's what I did with the serum. This serum I tell you the last time. So that's what I'm using for now, because I really wanted my face to come to normal. Then I go back to my lightening cream. So as I always tell you, it's not always good to use your lightening cream regularly like that. If you are noticing some changes on your skin, or you are noticing some breakout or something like that, just give your skin a break. Don't use any lightening cream. Maybe go ahead for any mild cream of your choice. But don't stop your lightening cream if you are noticing any changes on your skin, or you experience any breakout or something like that, or skin irritating, all this stuff. Just stop your lightening cream and go in with normal cream that can just smooth your skin, that don't have lightening substance inside. So that is my other advice I want to share with you guys, the other tips I want to share with you. Especially my face. Sometimes my face has lots of breakout due to some of the food I eat that don't pass to my skin. So when they come out, so I just give my skin break. I don't use lightening cream, so I just go ahead with any mild cream and apply it only on my face. But my body have no problem. Only sometimes I notice some rashes, I think due to heat, to the heat. If the place is too hot or something, that one normally happen to me when the weather is hot like that. So I was experiencing some rashes here on my body. But since I tell you I use this organ shower gel, so since I find it and I use it, I wash with it, so everything just clear like that. So I thank God for that. So that's why I came to you guys to introduce to you what I have, what I find for you guys, so you can check it out if you are suffering from dark spots on your body or your face. This year can help you clear your dark spots. This soap, I will surely leave it for you in the description, in my description box, the names. If you want to try them, you can check them out. You can check them out. I will leave for you the name, even the shower gel, this Revlon with argan oil. I will leave for you all of them in my description box. And the main thing of this, guys, it smells really good. Just that I don't want to pour it on my hand now. I should have shown you the color, how it look like. It's really smell good, guys, and it feel really soft. As you can see, it feel really soft. This is the color of it. It feels really soft when you are applying it on your body like this, and it smells really, really, really good. The color is just like honey, honey color, because it's also with natural honey inside, with argan oil. So this Revlon too, I recommend it for you guys if you are looking for a soap that can just smooth your skin, giving you that smooth skin. I would recommend this soap for you. You can try this shower gel. This shower gel is very, very good. So try this shea butter. It's really, really good. This shea butter is really good. It helps clear all my dark spots on my face, and now I can say thank God. Yes, now I can say thank God for that, because it's really helped me. So I make sure I finish one. The smell, it don't have that nice smell, to be frankly speaking. The smell is not that too friendly. No, the smell is not too friendly. It's just normal, like any normal soap, but it don't have that nice smell. But what is the main important thing? If it's doing the job, that is the most important thing. So the smell don't matter too much, since Solos is doing the job, is working. That is the most important thing. Yes. Okay guys, so I just let me share with you this video, what I have and what I find for you guys, what I try and it worked for me. So I say, okay, let me come and share with my friends. As I always tell you, sharing is caring. Okay, let me just wrap up this video for you guys. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. If you are new, you are so welcome to Baby Z channel. And please don't forget to hit the red button, the subscribe button, for any time, any day I upload a new video, you will get it, and hit the notification bell. So also you will be notified anytime I post a video. You will be the first person to get it. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. So I will say bye. See you next, or you see me next. Stay blessed. Peace. Bye.